Hi everyone, this is Steve with Cloudience bringing you another tech tip. We're going to discuss how to install a licensed version of Virtru for your Gmail. Once a license has been provisioned for you, you'll receive an email similar to the one shown on the screen. Open the email and click here to accept the invitation. This will open a separate tab or window to install a Virtru extension for Chrome. Scroll down slightly and click on the Install button for Gmail and G Suite. Once you do that, another tab or window will open. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Go back to your Gmail tab. Now click on Activate. It may ask you to sign back into your Gmail, but if it doesn't, you'll see the Your Email Address is Activated window. Just click Done. Now to confirm that Virtru is installed correctly, click on Compose for a new email, and click on the toggle as shown to activate Virtru protection. This provides end-to-end email encryption. I hope this was helpful to you. If you need on-the-spot tech assistance, call or email us at 855-8-CLOUD9 or help@cloudience.com. And don't forget to like or subscribe. It really helps us continue these tips.